In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the map sensor on your Toyota Tacoma. This will be located on the top back of the motor. Let's get started. Remove the connector for the map sensor. There's a tab right here on top. Push on that, pull straight back. Remove the connector. Using a 10mm socket, remove the 2 bolts for the sensor. Remove the bolts for the map sensor. Remove the vacuum hose. Remove the sensor. Install the vacuum hose onto the map sensor. Get the 2 bolts started. Install the connector, push until you hear a click. If you don't, give it a pull, make sure it's locked on. Torque the map sensor bolts to 80 inch-pounds. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.